Yes, it's possible to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Here's 3 different channels that are doing this. Practical Psychology makes videos about psychology and they get 700,000 views per month. Philosophies for Life makes videos about ancient philosophers and they get nearly 1 million views per month. And Young Entrepreneurs Forum uploads videos about business ideas and they get over 400,000 views per month. The average view count of these 3 channels is 700,000 views per month. Now, given a $7 CPM from ad revenue, that's about $4,900 per month. Practical Psychology also sells courses, so they're probably making a lot more than that. So if you do this, which niche should you choose? I recommend anything related to health, wealth, relationships, or happiness. And all 3 channels that I just shared with you are in sub-niches related to these topics. And how are these channels making videos without showing their face? They're finding video ideas, writing a script, doing a voiceover, and using a whiteboard animation software to generate these videos. Now, how can you find video ideas? Simply go to some of the top channels within your niche that are already doing what you want to do successfully, sorting their videos by their most popular uploads, and then write these down for ideas. Then search your niche on YouTube and see what comes up, and then write these down for ideas. And finally, you can use a software like vidIQ to search your niche and see which keywords come up that have a high amount of search volume and a low competition. And finally, write down these ideas as well. Now you should have a list of at least 30 different video ideas. Awesome job. It's time to start making them now, which really isn't that hard at all. Here's how to do it. The first step is to write the scripts. Simply open up Google Docs and another tab in Google, search your video idea, and open up some of the first articles and YouTube videos that come up. Go through each article and YouTube video, making notes of the main points to talk about. Then expand on these points and make sure to write them in your own words. I recommend making your scripts at least 2,000 words long to make sure that your finished video is at least 10 minutes long, but it's okay if some are shorter or longer. Just take the amount of words it takes you to give as much value as you possibly can give. Now, value can be entertainment value or educational value. If you don't want to write the scripts yourself, you can pay someone on Upwork or Fiverr to do it for you for $10 to $30. Make sure to check all your scripts with a website called Copyscape to make sure they're 100% unique, whether you write them yourself or you pay someone else to do it for you. Now it's time to record your voiceover. And no, you don't need a professional microphone to do this. You can simply use the voice recording app on your phone, or you can use a better mic like a Blue Yeti Nano plugged into your computer. Then I recommend a free software called Audacity for recording your voiceover. And it's okay if you make mistakes while you're recording. Simply repeat the line and then you can use Audacity to remove those mistakes. If you don't want to record the voiceover yourself, you can pay someone on either Upwork or Fiverr to do it for you for $10 to $15. The next step is to use the whiteboard animation software to make your videos. You can use VideoScribe to do this. You can import the file of your voiceover and then drag and drop elements and text relating to what you're talking about. And I recommend changing what's on the screen at least every 6 to 10 seconds to make sure you keep people's attention so that your video performs good. Also, make sure any music that you use is very quiet in the background of your video so it doesn't interrupt what you're talking about and so you can hear your voice clearly. And if you don't want to put together the whiteboard animations yourself, you can pay someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do this for you. And I would pay anywhere from $25 to $40 for someone to do this. Your video's done now. Awesome job. Now, before we upload your video, we need to make sure that you have what's called a custom thumbnail to make sure that people actually click to watch your video. You can use an online website called Snappa to make your thumbnail. I recommend seeing what's worked in other niches and then modeling their thumbnails. Don't copy them directly, but model the main elements of what has worked in your niche. If you use text in your thumbnails, make sure to make it very big and very easy to read. And also make sure to shrink your thumbnail down to make sure it looks good even at small sizes and you can clearly see what the video is about and what's going on. I recommend having a main primary element that stands out in your thumbnail, whether that's the text, whether that's a person in the thumbnail, whether that's an animated character, and at the very most you can have up to 3 primary elements in your thumbnail, but if you have too much, people might not click to watch your videos as much. Bright colors and high contrast are good as well, and you can also make use of arrows and circles to draw in people's attention. Now your video is ready to be uploaded. Simply upload your video and your custom thumbnail to YouTube and then fill out the rest of the info. For your title, I recommend seeing what other top videos within your niche have titled their videos and modeling them. And if you can include a keyword from somewhere like vidIQ within your title, that's all the better. But don't worry if you can't. Your main focus should be on making sure that your title is clickable and it's something people would actually search for. And for your description, I recommend writing a paragraph or two summarizing your video and making sure to include some keywords that are written in a natural way into the description. Then under that, you can put some links to other videos on your channel, as well as a short description of your actual channel within your description. And you can see my description below for an example of this. Then fill out your tags, putting keywords related to your video. You can use the Chrome extension called Social Blade to see what other keywords people are using within their tags, and then you can include some of those within your videos as well, but only include ones that are actually related to your video. vidIQ can also really help with this as well by finding high search volume, low competition tags to include within your video tags. And once you've done that, now you can simply hit publish and your video is up. Now, do not worry if your video gets no views within the first couple days. And you might be asking, Matt, should I be promoting my videos at all? And my answer to that is that the #1 promotion that will get you the most amount of traffic and will compound on itself, increasing exponentially, is letting YouTube promote your videos for you. And you can do this by optimizing your videos, making sure you're modeling what has already worked, making sure that your videos are at least as good quality as the other videos within your niche, uploading 33 videos, and analyzing and optimizing the next batch that you upload. Now, if you do already have other social media platforms like Facebook page or an Instagram account, you can feel free to promote on those platforms as long as they're in the same niche as your channel and your video. This way you have the right audience and YouTube knows who to promote your videos to. And most of my channels that have over 100,000 subscribers, I don't have a Facebook page or an Instagram account, and the only promotion that those videos get is from YouTube itself. So just continually uploading good content, focusing on what we can actually control, which is continually putting up good videos on our channel. And don't promote to your friends and family unless they're actually interested in the niche of your channel. Now you might be asking, Matt, how am I gonna actually make money doing this? You will make money once you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. And you might be saying, Matt, won't that take forever to reach those milestones? And no, it can actually happen a lot faster than you probably think, but you need to make sure that you're optimizing your channel correctly. And I show how to do that in a few different videos on my channel, and I'll link to those in the description. Then you can join what's called the YouTube Partner Program, in which YouTube will put ads on your videos, and then you'll get a cut of that ad revenue. And if your videos are at least 8 minutes long, then you can place multiple ad breaks throughout your video to multiply the amount of money that you make. I recommend putting ads at least every couple minutes throughout your video. Also, to multiply the amount of money that you make, I recommend signing up for any affiliate programs relating to your niche and then putting these affiliate links within your description. I recommend checking Digistore24 and ClickBank for products to promote. And you can make much more doing this than from just ad revenue. Also, you can make your own online course like that channel Practical Psychology did. And it might sound intimidating to make an entire online course, but a course can literally just be a collection of your whiteboard videos teaching a certain topic. And you still don't even need to show your face for that. Now you might be saying, Matt, I've got some videos made, but how often should I be uploading on my channel? I recommend choosing a regular schedule. If you can do 1 video a day, that's the best, that's amazing. But if you can't do that, then do 3 videos a week. And if you can't do that, then do 1 video per week. It's possible to grow your channel with any of these schedules. And there's examples of giant channels uploading with each of these different upload schedules. But the best schedule is the one that you can stick to long term. For example, it's way better to upload 10 videos over the course of 10 weeks instead of uploading 10 videos all in 1 day and then uploading nothing for the rest of the 10 weeks. Now you might be saying, Matt, I know how to choose my niche, I know how to generate videos, I know how often to upload, but how long realistically is this going to take me to get results and to start making money with this? And my answer to that is that it depends on a lot of factors. And keep in mind that a lot of the top channels have to upload hundreds of videos onto their channels before they get big and consistent results. The goal of what I teach is to upload 33 videos modeling what's already worked within your niche, and then analyze and optimize for your next batch of 33 videos. And typically I like to see some type of traction with one of my videos getting similar views to another video within my niche in the first 30 to 60 videos on the channel. So I would look to get some type of traction by then. And the reason that this strategy works of uploading 33 videos and then analyzing and optimizing for your next batch is because there's an actual strategy instead of just guessing and hoping that something's going to work. That said, you can make money much sooner by selling something with your channel, because that way you don't have to wait to get monetized on your channel, and that can be done with affiliate links or selling your own course. And yes, this is really possible to do. I have tons of students doing this. I just talked to one of them the other day who's making between $3,000 and $5,000 a month doing this exact method, not even showing their face. And I've gotten millions of subscribers doing this exact method, and I've made millions of dollars online, and I'm continuing to do it right now. Now let me ask you a question. If you had the choice between trying to do this all yourself, guessing what's gonna work, and learning through trial and error, or straight up discovering what works and working with someone who's already done this time and time again. If you chose the second option, I'd love to introduce you to my course and coaching program called Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 is a step-by-step blueprint that walks through exactly how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels, how I actually generate my videos, get other people to make the videos for me, how I make sure my videos are optimized so that they get views and so that you're not just wasting your time with YouTube. Plus, you get to join a private community that I'm in every single day, answering as many questions as I possibly can so that you can get the help and support that you need along the way from someone who's actually done this. So if you're interested in Tube Mastery and Monetization, you can check out the link below this video right here.